JANHVI Panwar, a story of struggle and success. Introduction. JANHVI Panwar, often called the Wonder Girl of India, is a young and talented girl who became famous at a very young age. She speaks many languages, has excellent communication skills, and is a rising YouTuber and public speaker. However, her journey was not easy. She faced many problems and struggles before achieving success. This is the story of JANHVI Panwar's struggle, told in simple English. Early life. JANHVI was born in 2003 in Samalkha, a small town in Haryana, India. She comes from a simple, middle-class family. Her father, Rajesh Panwar, is a government school teacher, and her mother is a homemaker. They did not have a lot of money, but they had big dreams for their daughter. From a young age, JANHVI showed that she was different. When other children were just learning basic English, she was already speaking fluently. Her father noticed her special talent and decided to help her grow. He supported her education in every way possible, even when it was difficult for the family. The beginning of struggles. Life was not easy for JANHVI. Although she was talented, the world around her did not always believe in her. Many people laughed at her and said that a small town girl could not achieve big dreams. Some even told her parents to stop wasting time and money on her education. In school, JANHVI faced jealousy from some classmates. They could not accept that a girl from a small town could speak better English than many adults. She was bullied and isolated. But JANHVI did not give up. She stayed strong and kept working hard. Money was another big problem. Her family did not have enough to send her to expensive schools or coaching centers. So her father became her first teacher. He would teach her English by bringing her English newspapers, books, and videos. Together, they worked hard every day. Early achievements. By the time she was 9 years old, JANHVI was already amazing everyone with her English. She was fluent not only in English but also in French, Japanese, and many other languages. She could understand and speak British, American, and Australian accents perfectly. At just 12 years old, JANHVI passed the English proficiency test from Cambridge University. This was a big achievement for someone so young. She even started giving motivational speeches at different events. However, fame did not come easily. Media houses would sometimes invite her but not always give her the respect she deserved. Some people accused her family of using her talent for fame and money. But her family stayed quiet and kept supporting her. The YouTube journey. JANHVI decided to start her own YouTube channel to share her knowledge and talent with the world. But starting on YouTube was not easy either. In the beginning, her videos did not get many views. She would spend hours recording, editing, and posting videos, but very few people watched them. Many days, she felt sad and thought about giving up. She also received hate comments from strangers who made fun of her accent or way of speaking. But JANHVI remembered why she started, not for fame, but to inspire people. She wanted to show that if a small town girl could do it, anyone could. So she kept going, posting videos regularly and improving her content. Slowly, things started to change. Her videos on language learning, public speaking tips, and motivational talks began to get more attention. People started appreciating her knowledge and her way of explaining difficult things in simple words. Handling criticism. As she became more popular, JANHVI faced even more criticism. Some people said she was too young to give advice. Others said she was overconfident. But JANHVI understood that criticism was part of success. Instead of getting angry or sad, she used the criticism to become better. She worked on her voice, presentation, and content. She took online courses to improve her skills. She learned video editing, lighting, and camera handling, all by herself. Her father continued to support her like a best friend. Whenever she felt low, he would remind her of her dreams. Major breakthrough after years of hard work. Janhvi finally got her big break. Her videos started going viral. One of her motivational speeches about how to succeed in life without big resources touched millions of people. News channels, websites, and newspapers started writing about her. Janhvi became a role model for many young people, especially girls from small towns. She proved that you don't need a big city background, a lot of money, or special connections to become successful. What you really need is passion, hard work, and belief in yourself. She also got invited to give TEDx talks and speak at prestigious events. Today, she inspires thousands with her words and continues to educate people through her YouTube channel. Challenges during success. Even after becoming successful, life was not always easy for Janhvi. Managing studies, YouTube, and public speaking events together was tough. She had to make many sacrifices. While other teenagers enjoyed parties and vacations, Janhvi spent her time studying, working, and improving herself. There were days when she felt exhausted. Sometimes, she missed being a normal teenager. But then she remembered the bigger goal, to inspire millions, and kept moving forward. She also faced mental pressure. Success brings expectations, and expectations bring stress. But Janhvi learned how to handle stress by practicing meditation, spending time with family, and doing things she loved, like reading and learning new languages. Message to the youth. Janhvi Panwar's life teaches us many important lessons. She shows that talent is important, but hard work is even more important. Criticism and failures are part of success. We should not fear them. Support from family can make a big difference. Consistency is the key. Even when no one watches your videos or claps for you, you should keep working. You don't need big resources to start. You can create opportunities with what you have. Today, Janhvi encourages other young people to dream big and not be afraid of starting small. Conclusion. Janhvi Panwar's story is not just about success. It is about fighting against all odds. From a small town in Haryana to becoming an inspiration for millions. Her journey is full of struggles, failures, hard work, and finally, success. She continues to work hard every day to improve herself and help others through her videos and speeches. Her life proves that with passion, dedication, and family support, anything is possible. Janhvi's story teaches us that even if the world doubts you, you must believe in yourself. Keep moving forward. And one day, the world will recognize your hard work.